Welcome to this elegant colonial-style home situated on a half-acre lot in a peaceful park-like setting. Located in Bull Mountain's Shadow Hills neighborhood, it has easy access to shopping, parks, and great schools. This spacious 5-bedroom home of nearly 4,000 square feet is thoughtfully designed with a great floor plan for entertaining. The formal living room with hardwood floors and a gas fireplace opens to the chef's kitchen. It's beautifully appointed with concrete countertops, a gas cooktop, pantry, abundant storage, and double ovens. It floats into the family room with a gas fireplace and French doors. A barn door opens to the utility room. You'll find 2 spacious master suites, including one on the main level. It's perfect for a guest quarters with an outside entrance and its own full bath. Plus a powder room. On the upper level, you'll find another master suite with French doors to the balcony. Enjoy the relaxing spa-like master bath. You'll find additional upstairs bedrooms, another full bath, plus an amazing bonus room with a skylight. The vaulted media room with a projector is ready for movie night. A tranquil oasis is all yours in your expansive, fully fenced backyard. Gather under the gazebo in this wonderfully private setting filled with mature landscaping, plus a sprinkler system. There's plenty of space for family fun, and fulfill every child's dream with your own treehouse. Other notable features include a new 40-year roof, new paint, and climate control zones for your comfort. A gorgeous custom-built home in a fantastic neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.